Erbauer drill chuck stuck open, this is what to do. Now, to close it, you need to spin the chuck anti-clockwise, and this should open the chuck. If that isn't working and it is actually stuck in this open position, what I recommend doing is getting a lubricant like WD-40, spraying it all within the mechanism here, and then trying to leave the drill like that overnight, and this should break down any debris what is sticking in the chuck. Then come back the next day and try it again and see if it loosens it. If that doesn't work, try tapping it only gently on the surface, WD-40 again, let that do its work, and that in 99.9% of the cases unlooses the chuck. So hopefully that helps you out what to do when your Erbauer drill chuck is stuck open. If it does, smash that like, smash the subscribe, and thanks for watching.